Hello? It's me. I don't know what it is about this gym that it smells like crayons. Like anytime I work out in that gym, it smells like crayons. But that was a good workout. It did more upper body. It did a little bit of my back. I think the next time I work out, I'm going to be working on my legs. All right, but now I'm going home. I'm kind of hungry now. I didn't eat breakfast, but I think I have some chicken at home. Chicken. This is so cool. So you must think if I have a lamp on the GoPro. I don't. Fucking Iron Man.
One man, one world.
Hi, wait for my appointment.
Got dandruff and shit, man.
I know.
It's happening.
So right now we're at the BTS concert. Jen, I love you! We're so close. Okay, so since Daniel's covered in hair and Gino's potentially covered in hair, I gotta make the sauce for these chicken wings. So Gino's gonna instruct me how to do it. Okay, so Gino, what do I need? Barbecue. Nope, that's a... Okay, we can use another beer. Ooh. So ketchup, and then we got this Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay.
Yep.
We got the ketchup, Sweet Baby Ray's.
Here, you're gonna put...
You gonna put the rest of this ketchup?
Yes, we're gonna use the rest of that ketchup.
Because they're making fun of Jimmy.
You want some? You want to make it a little heat to it? All right.
I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just putting shit together.
How do they do it at Wingstop? Everything's sticky. Well, anyway, we are going to a little kick it. It's December 3rd, and we're going to a little kick it. It's my boy Jason Muhammad's birthday, so yeah. So Jason, if you see this, happy birthday, brother. You're in the vlog. We'll vlog when I get to your house. All right, y'all. It's only a couple minutes away, so let's go. I saw what you said. I left it in there. I was fucking dying.
But I still have forgotten to bring it to everything. It's like,
Gotta take a shot, bro. Cheers.
yeah.
Tim.
Still no chasing this bitch.
I'm so bad at that.
Or it's actually broken and so it's a much easier situation because it's just like you're communicating that.
Alright, now everyone's playing Rage Cage. What's up, Ahmad?
big screen. We did this. This is all for this.
Oh, you're fucking leaving! Okay, he's saying bye to me. Alright, so we're still here at Jason's. But look who's fucking here!
Real bad.
Vanessa!
Yeah, my dad, so he's
What do you guys say to your followers?
I just bought a Box logo t-shirt at a party.
Sick.
Yeah.
So today I've been having like power issues at the house, and I've been using like a flashlight on my phone or like an actual flashlight to light up everything. So I had to take like a cold ass shower in the dark, because your boy has to stay clean, you know what I'm saying? But like, look how this is how I'm lighting up my room. And this is how I'm lighting up the bathroom. It probably would have made sense if I just wore the headlamp. Oh yeah, that's way brighter. Yeah, that's way brighter. Save my battery. Yeah, so after all the thrift shopping and getting boba, getting ready to go to Bolero in Milpitas for Kenny's birthday. So this weekend's nothing but birthdays. Yesterday was Jason Mohammed's. Today's Kenny. So Kenny, if you're watching this, happy birthday, brother. Okay, so we're at the bowling alley now. And now, is that the Twitch streamer Just Jer?
Bing bong.
Fuck your life!
Wait, did he make it? Oh.
What does all the pins down mean?
That means fuck. How does it feel to be
30.
Yeah, welcome to the club.
It's a great club to be in.
You know what I'm saying? What do you want to tell your fans?
I want to say follow Man Hell Yeah on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, whatever those platforms he's on.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. Okay. That was real good. Yeah! Let's go!
Oh yeah!
Like, no demons.